Question number 34. Educational psychology basically deals with the option A, teaching learning process, option B, programmed learning, option C, motivation in learning, option D, teaching methods. Correct answer to question number 34 is option A, teaching learning process. Question number 35. Educational psychology is primarily concerned with the option A, clarifying the goals towards which the school is to strive, option B, determining the attainability of the various educational objectives, option C, developing taxonomy of sound educational objectives, option D, facilitating the process whereby educational goals can be achieved. Correct answer to question number 35 is option D, facilitating the process whereby educational goals can be achieved. Question number 36. The most important change in education brought by the impact of educational psychology is dash. Option A, quantification of intelligence, option B, child-centered education, option C, teacher-centered education, option D, provision for co-curricular activities. Correct answer to question number 36 is option B, child-centered education. Question number 37. Educational psychology should provide prospective teachers with the dash. Option A, insights into the various aspects of modern education. Option B, principles, insights and attitudes as points of departure for effective teaching. Option C, research procedures by means of which to evaluate current teaching procedure. Option D, rules of thumb to deal with the everyday classroom situation. Correct answer to question number 37 is option B, principles, insights and attitudes as points of departure for effective teaching. Question number 38. Educational psychology is useful to classroom teacher in the following way. Option A, to understand the learner, option B, to maintain discipline in the classroom, option C, to provide suitable learning environment, option D, to do all the above. Correct answer to question number 38 is option D, to do all the above. Question number 39. The behavior of individuals who are unusuals, that is different from the normal child, is dealt by option A, clinical psychology, option B, physiological psychology, option C, abnormal psychology, option D, general psychology. Correct answer to question number 39 is option C, abnormal psychology. Question number 40. A branch of psychology devoted to study of diagnosis and treatment of behavior disorders is called. Option A, clinical psychology, option B, child psychology, option C, abnormal psychology, option D, educational psychology. Correct answer to question number 40 is option A, clinical psychology. Question number 41. The method by which a student who studies his mental activities and emotions for himself is known as dash. Option A, introspection, option B, introversion, option C, extroversion, option D, observation. Correct answer to question number 41 is Option A, introspection. Question number 42. Introspection method is option A, objective, option B, subjective, option C, relevant, option D, reliable. Correct answer to question number 42 is option B, subjective. Question number 43. Introspection as one of method of studying behavior was introduced by dash. Option A, structuralists, option B, behaviorists, option C, psychoanalysts, option D, gestalists. Correct answer to question number 43 is option A, structuralists. Question number 44. Subjective observation or self-observation is called as option A, introspection, option B, experimentation, option C, super observation, option D, practical behavior. Correct answer to question number 44 is option A, introspection. Question number 45. Introspection is purely a dash. Option A, objective method, option B, subjective method, option C, experimental method, option D, scientific method. Correct answer to question number 45 is option B, subjective method. Question number 46. Which one of the following is a less objective method? Option A, survey, option B, standardized test, option C, experiments, option D, introspection. Correct answer to question number 46 is option D, introspection. Question number 47. Introspection method was criticized by option A, gestalists, option B, behaviorists, option C, functionalists, option D, structuralists. Correct answer to question number 47 is option B, behaviorists. Question number 48. A school of psychology that emphasizes the study of observed behavior is known as option A, functionalism, option B, individual psychology, option C, behaviorism, option D, humanistic psychology. Correct answer to question number 48 is option C, behaviorism. Question number 49. The general format of modern behaviorism stems from the early work of option A, William James, option B, H.J. Eisenach, option C, B.F. Skinner, option D, J.B. Watson. Correct answer to question number 49 is option D, J.B. Watson. Question number 50. Systematically observing the behavior of other individual is option A, case study, option B, subjective observation, option C, introspection, option D, objective observation. Correct answer to question number 50 is option D, objective observation. Question number 51. The study of cause and effect of overt behavior of an individual is known as option A, observation, option B, experimentation, option C, introspection, option D, inductive method. Correct answer to question number 51 is option A, observation. Question number 52. A zoologist observes the lifestyle of a tiger in the forest. This type of observation is known as dash. Option A, participatory observation. Option B, controlled observation. Option C, naturalistic observation. Option D, anecdotal observation. Correct answer to question number 52 is option C, naturalistic observation. Question number 53. Arnold Gesell was basically a dash. Option A, children specialist. Option B, child scientist. Option C, both A and B. Option B, option D, child psychologist. Correct answer to question number 53 is option D, child psychologist. Question number 54. Which is the most simple and economical method to understand the behavior of an individual? Option A, observation. Option B, experimentation. Option C, testing technique. Option D, case study. Correct answer to question number 54 is option A, observation. Question number 55. Observation method includes which of the following types of observation? A, controlled observation. B, partly controlled observation. C, uncontrolled observation. D, introspection. Select the answer from the quotes given below. Quotes are like this. A alone is correct, that is controlled observation. B, A, B and D are correct, they are controlled observation, partly controlled observation, introspection. C, B, C and D are correct, they are partly controlled observation, uncontrolled observation and introspection. Option D, A, B and C are correct, they are controlled observation, partly controlled observation, uncontrolled observation. Correct answer to question number 55 is option D, A, B and C are correct, they are controlled observation, partly controlled observation and uncontrolled observation. Question number 56. The major limitation of participant observation is dash. Option A, failure to observe all the external behaviors. Option B, that different individuals show different behaviors under similar conditions. Option C, subjectivity of the observer. Option D, that a person under observation may not show natural behavior. Correct answer to question number 56 is option D, that a person under observation may not show natural behavior. Question number 57. Which of the following methods of educational psychology helps attain the advancement of educational psychology as a science? Option A, the questionnaire method. Option B, the interview method. Option C, the survey method. Option D, the experimental method. Correct answer to question number 57 is option D, the experimental method. Question number 58. Who conducted first experiment in psychology? Option A, Wundt. Option B, Thorndike. Option C, Skinner. Option D, Watson. Correct answer to question number 58 is option A, Wundt. Question number 59. Which method of research probably contributes most to the advancement of educational psychology as a science? Option A, the clinical method. Option B, the experimental method. Option C, the historical method. Option D, the survey method. Correct answer to question number 59 is option B, the experimental method. Question number 60. The first psychology lab was established at dash. Option A, Manitoba. Option B, Paris. Option C, Frankfurt. Option D, Leipzig. Correct answer to question number 60 is option D, Leipzig. Question number 61. The first psychology lab was established by dash. Option A, William James. Option B, Sigmund Freud. Option C, Woodworth. Option D, Wilhelm Wundt. Correct answer to question number 61 is option D, Wilhelm Wundt. Question number 62. Experimental method in social psychology was used extensively since option A, 1925. Option B, 1879. Option C, 1901. Option D, 1951. Correct answer to question number 62 is option B, 1879. Question number 63. Dash is an event or condition which can be measured and which varies quantitatively. Option A, subject. Option B, experimenter. Option C, experiment. Option D, variable. Correct answer to question number 63 is option D, variable. Question number 64. The variables which are considered as stimulus and response in experimentation are option A, dependent variable, independent variable. Option B, independent variable, intervening variable. Option C, independent variable, dependent variable. Option D, dependent variable, moderator variable. Correct answer to question number 64 is option C, independent variable, dependent variable. Question number 65. An experiment studies the relationship between cause and effect. The term cause can synonymously be correlated with the dash. Option A, independent variable. Option B, intervening variable. Option C, dependent variable. Option D, control variable. Correct answer to question number 65 is option A, independent variable. Question number 66. Dependent variable in an experiment means it dash. Option A is dependent in its nature. B, option B, changes according to the changes in the independent variable. Option C, is unaffected by any factors. Option D, is unchanged in any situation. Correct answer to question number 66 is option B, changes according to the changes in the independent variable. Question number 67. Independent variable in an experiment means the variable is dash. Option A, independent in its nature. Option B, manipulated by the experimenter. Option C, manipulated by the subject. Option D, dependent on the cause. Correct answer to question number 67 is option B, manipulated by the experimenter. Question number 68. In two-group static design, the experimental variables are not operated on one of the groups. Then that group is called dash. Option A, experimental group. Option B, dynamic group. Option C, static group. Option D, control group. Correct answer to Question number 68 is option D, control group. Question number 69, which is the important feature of experimental method? Option A, no control on variables. Option B, personality of experimenter. Option C, controlling of variables. Option D, subject's behavior. Correct answer to question number 69 is option C, control variables. Question number 70, what is dependent variable? Option A, it is an event or condition which can have different values. Option B, it is a condition set or selected by an experimenter to see whether it will have an effect on behavior. Option C, it is the behavior of the person or animal under the experiment. Option D, it is unaffected by any factors. Correct answer to question number 70 is option C. It is the behavior of the person or animal under the experiment. Question number 71, important feature of experimentation in education dash. Option A, control of intervening variables. Option B, controlling of external factors. Option C, separating the inherent factors in an individual. Option D, complete analysis and controlling of internal factors. Correct answer to question number 71 is option A, control of intervening variables. Question number 72, which of the following method of psychology is used to establish cause-effect relationship? Option A, observation. Option B, experimentation. Option C, introspection. Option D, case study. Correct answer to question number 72 is option B, experimentation. Question number 73, the first important step in conducting an experiment is? Option A, collecting data. Option B, forming a hypothesis. Option C, setting up of instruments. Option D, analysis of data. Correct answer to question number 73 is option B, forming a hypothesis. Question number 74, technique of testing hypothesis and gathering information by controlling variables is called? Option A, introspection. Option B, observation. Option C, experimental method. Option D, psychoanalysis. Correct answer to question number 74 is option C, experimental method. Question number 75, in an experiment, the experimental group is deliberately exposed to dash. Option A, dependent variable. Option B, independent variable. Option C, intervening variable. Option D, control variable. Correct answer to question number 75 is option B, independent variable. Question number 76, ideally when a control group design is used dash. Option A, the groups must be systematic. Option B, the group should be equivalent in every way except for the independent variable. Option C, the groups differ in the presence or absence of the dependent variable. Option D, groups should be different in all respects. Correct answer to question number 76 is option B, the group should be equivalent in every way except for the independent variable. Question number 77, every fifth student of class 10th from the admission register was selected for the purpose of experiment. This selection is an example of dash. Option A, simple random sampling. Option B, stratified random sampling. Option C, systematic random sampling. Option D, area sampling. Correct answer to Question number 77 is option C, systematic random sampling. Question number 78. In an experiment, the investigator attempts to have a control group which is option A, identical in all respects to the experimental group, option B, different in all respects from the experimental group, option C, opposite in all respects to the experimental group except of the factor under study, option D, identical in all relevant aspects to the experimental group except for the factor under investigation. Correct answer to the question number 78 is option D, identical in all relevant aspect to the experimental group except for the factor under investigation. Question number 79. If we want to study the effect of intelligence and academic achievement of high school children by experimentation, which one of the following will be the dependent variable? Option A, intelligence, option B, academic achievement, option C, high school children, option D, sex. Correct answer to question number 79 is option B, academic achievement. Question number 80. Adolescent boys with high IQ will exhibit low anxiety than adolescent boys with low IQ. This is a dash. Option A, non-directional hypothesis, option B, directional hypothesis, option C, correlational hypothesis, option D, null hypothesis. Correct answer to question number 80 is option B, directional hypothesis. Question number 81. If we want to study the effect of meaningfulness of learning material on retention and recall of 9th standard students, which of the following is the dependent variable in the study? Option A, meaningful of learning material, option B, retention and recall, option C, 9th standard students, option D, gender. Correct answer to question number 81 is option B, retention and recall. Question number 82. Hypothesis is a dash. Option A statement of the relationship between the subject and experimenter. Option B, tentative and testable statement of relationship between two or more variables being investigated. Option C, tentative and testable statement related to the procedures followed in experimentation. Option D, tentative statement of the relationship between two variables. Correct answer to question number 82 is option B, tentative and testable statement of relationship between two or more variables being investigated. Question number 83. What is the effect of change in independent variable? Option A, dependent variable don't change. Option B, dependent variable also changes. Option C, intervening variable also change. Option D, independent variable do not have any effect on dependent variable. Correct answer to question number 83 is option B, dependent variable also changes. Thank you. So remaining questions will be uploaded in the next video.